Okay, now in question number 6, it is f of x is equal to x square minus 3. So by the ab initio method, we are going to find the differentiation of this expression. First of all, f of a is equal to a square minus 3. In the place of x, we have replaced a. And here the ab initio method, f dash of a, the formula is f dash of a is equal to f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a, and x approaches to a. This is the formula. Here you can see, f of x is given here and f of a we have found there. So now we are going to replace f of x and f of a in this formula. So f dash of a is equal to f of x is x square minus 3. So x square minus 3 we have replaced in the place of f of x, and f of a is a square minus 3 divided by x minus a, and x approaches to a. Now let's open this bracket. So x square minus 3 minus a square minus minus plus 3 divided by x minus a, and x approaches to a. 3 plus and negative are cancelled. So remaining is x square minus a square divided by x minus a, and x approaches to a. Here we know the formula a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Here it will be, now here it will be x approaches to a, and this formula will be a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We are going to use this formula here, plus a into x minus a divided by x minus a. X minus a is cancelled with x minus a. The remaining we have to replace x as a. So it would be a plus, this will be a plus a, that is 2a, and it is f dash of a, and we know f dash of a is equal to f dash of x. So replace a as x. F of x is equal to 2 of 2x. Let's find the derivative of this function by using formula and check out its answer. Either both these answers are same or not. And by using the formula, we know that we are taking this power out. So it will be 2, and after that we have to reduce 1 from the power, and taking the derivative of this base function minus derivative of 3. So it would be 2 x raised to the power 2 minus 1, 1, that is x, and this will be 1, and this constant will be 0. Derivative of constant is always 0. So minus 0, so y derivative is equal to 2x. Here the answers of this and this are same. It means our procedure is correct and the answer is right. Fine. Now let's move to its 7th part. Now here f of a will be, replace x as a. F of a will be a cube plus 5. Now the formula to find derivative by ab initio method is f dash of a is equal to x approaches to a, f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. Here f of x is this one, and f of a we have found, that is a cube plus 5. So let's substitute it. X approaches to a. F of x is x cube plus 5 minus a cube plus 5. Now f dash of a is equal to x approaches to a, x cube plus 5 minus a cube plus minus 5 divided by x minus a. This 5 is cancelled with this. Positive, negative are cancelled. So here it can be written as x cube minus a cube divided by x minus a. And we know that whenever we are having a cube minus b cube, so it is equal to a minus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is the formula, if you remember this formula. And if it is minus over there, here it would be plus. Now we are going to use this formula over here. It will be x minus a, x square plus, so minus then plus a into x, multiple of these two, plus a square divided by x minus a. X minus a is cancelled with x minus a and limit x approaches to a. So the remaining will be, f dash of a is equal to x approaches to a, x square plus ax plus a square. And now substitute x as a. So it would be a square plus a square, a into a square plus a square. So 1, 2, 3 a squares are there. So it would be 3 a square. So f dash of a is equal to 3a square. And now we know that f dash of a is equal to f dash of x. So f dash of x is equal to 3x square. We have replaced a as x. Now if we are going to check the answer, so expression is x cube plus 5. Now let's solve it. If we want to take the derivative by using the formula, so power comes out and then subtracted 1 from the power, it would be 3 minus 1, that is 2, plus constant derivative. I have told you in the previous question that the constant derivative would be equal to 0. So y derivative is equal to 3x square. So the answers of these both two are same. It means we have done all correct. So our procedure is correct. That's why our answer is same. So this one is the check of this question. Either we have done all the procedure correctly. So let's do another part of question number 1. That would be question number 1, 8th part. Now here in this question, f of x is this one and f of a we have to find. So it would be 4a square minus 3a. The formula is f dash of a is equal to x approaches to a, f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. Now x approaches to a. F of x is 4x square minus 3x, and f of a is 4a square minus 3a divided by x minus a. Four x square minus 3x minus 4a square minus plus 3a divided by x minus a. So we can combine 4x square with 4a square. So it would be x approaches to a 4x square minus 4a square minus 3x plus 3a divided by x minus a. So it would be x approaches to a, 4 is taking as common, x square minus a square minus 3 as common, x minus a. X approaches to a, it would be 4. It can be a square minus b square, so x plus a into x minus a minus 3 x minus a divided by x minus a. Now taking x minus a and x minus a common, taking x minus a and x minus a common, so it would be x minus a as common. So the remaining will be 4x plus a minus 3 divided by x minus a. X minus a is cancelled. So x approaches to a, 4x plus 4a minus 3 will be remaining one. So replace x as a. So it would be 4a plus 4a minus 3. So f dash of a will be 8a minus 3. We know that f dash of a is equal to f dash of x. So replace a as x. It would be f dash of x is equal to 8x minus 3. Now if we are going to use formula, so it will be coefficient we are taking out, and it would be 2 base. So power is coming out, and 2 minus 1 minus 3, and derivative of x is 1. So it would be 4 to the 8x minus 3. So these both two answers are same. It means that our procedure is correct. Now let's move to its ninth part. That is, now its ninth part is f of x is equal to 1 upon x plus 2. So f of a is equal to 1 upon a plus 2, and the formula is f dash of a is equal to x approaches to a, f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. Now f of x is 1 upon x plus 2 minus f of a is 1 upon a plus 2 divided by x minus a. Now let's take LCM of these both two. It will be x plus 2 into x a plus 2. X plus 2 is cancelled with x plus 2, so the remaining is a plus 2. Minus a plus 2 is cancelled with a plus 2. Remaining is x plus 2 divided by x minus a. If we are going to open this bracket, it would be a plus 2 minus x minus 2. This 2 plus 2 and minus 2 is cancelled. So remaining will be x plus 2, a plus 2 into x minus a. X negative as common, so it would be x minus a, and denominator is x plus 2, a plus 2 and x minus a. X minus a is cancelled with x minus a. So the remaining is minus 1 upon x plus 2, a plus 2. Now replace x as a, minus 1 upon a plus 2 into a plus 2. So this would be minus 1 upon a plus 2 square. This is f dash of a. Now f dash of a is equal to f dash of x. Replace a as x in this one. F dash of x is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 2 whole square. Now let's do the same ninth part by using formula. X plus 2 is in the denominator, so its power is 1. When we move it to the numerator, then its power becomes negative 1. You know that. So derivative of this is power comes out, and now we have to subtract 1 from the power, minus 1, and the derivative of this function will be x derivative will be 1 and 2 derivative will be 0. So y derivative is equal to minus 1, x plus 2 whole raised power minus 2 will be there. So y derivative is minus 1 upon x plus 2 whole square. So the both answers, you can check these both two answers are same. So it means that, so our procedure is correct. Now let's move to its 10th part that says f of x is equal to 3 by 2x plus 5. So replace a in the place of x. So it would be f of a is equal to 3 by 2a plus 5. And for finding the derivative of this function by ab initio method, we have the formula f dash of a is equal to x approaches to a f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a. This is the formula for finding derivative by ab initio method. Now replace f of x and f of a in this one. F of x is 3 by 2x plus 5 minus 3 by 2a plus 5 divided by x minus a. It will be 2x plus 5 into 2a plus 5. 2x is cancelled with 2x. The remaining will be 3 into 2a plus 5. Minus 2a is cancelled with 2a. 2a plus 5 is cancelled with 2a plus 5. and the remaining will be 3 into 2x plus 5. And the denominator is x minus a as well. Fine. Now x approaches to a. 6a plus 5 threes are 15 minus 6x minus 5 threes are 15 divided by 2x plus 5, 2x, 2a plus 5 and x minus a. Plus 15 and minus 15 is cancelled. So here the remaining is a. 6 is common, x minus 6 is, if we are taking minus 6 common, then it would be x minus a, and 2a plus 5, 2x plus 5 and x minus a. So x minus a is cancelled with x minus a and we replace x as a, then the answer would be 6 by 2a plus 5 into 2a plus 5. So f dash of a will be minus 6 upon 2a plus 5 whole square. Now f dash of a is equal to f dash of x. So replace a as x. So it would be f dash of x is equal to minus 6 upon 2x plus 5 whole square. Of this function by using formula, then y is equal to 3 by 2x plus 5. So the derivative will be 3 and its power is 1, and we can write it down as 2x plus 5 raised to the power minus 1. When the power goes from the denominator to the numerator, then it is negative 1. 3 and then power comes out. So 2x plus 5 minus 1 minus 1, and the derivative of this base function will be 2. So 3 2s are 6 minus 6, and this 2x plus 5 whole raised power minus 2. So y derivative is minus 6 upon 2x plus 5 square. Have you seen these both two answers are same? So it means that that procedure is by ab initio method we have calculated the derivative of the function is correct. So I hope you have understood question number 1 from question number 1 all parts first to 10. Now in my next video we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 3.2. So keep watching and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.